The atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding the planet, and it is retained by the Earth's gravity. You understand what is retained? Because of the gravitational pull of the Earth, the atmosphere is within the boundaries of the Earth. There is no definite boundary between the atmosphere and outer space. It slowly becomes thinner and fades into space. Three-quarters of the atmosphere's mass is within 11 kilometers of the Earth's surface. The atmosphere is one of the most important components of the environment on the Earth. In the absence of the atmosphere, life would not have been possible on the Earth. So, what is the composition of the atmosphere? As mentioned above, atmosphere is an envelope of air around the Earth. That is, the air that is surrounding the Earth is called as its atmosphere. The Earth has a mixture of gases. The composition of air varies slightly from one place of the Earth to the other place, and also vary according to the height in atmosphere. However, the composition of the pure dry air near the ground is fairly constant. So the dry air that you find on the surface of the earth, near the surface of the earth, is always constant. Now let's see the importance of the various components of the Earth's atmosphere. The various components of the atmosphere affects life on the earth in different ways. Let's speak of oxygen. Oxygen is necessary for breathing, burning, and decomposition of organic matter. It also combines with various elements of the environment, causing chemical changes through the process of oxidation. So, how important oxygen is? Not only do we breathe in oxygen, oxygen is an important element in decomposition of organic matter. In the absence of uh, decomposition of the organic matter, imagine all those dead plants and animals and bodies just lying on the surface of the earth. Nothing would have decomposed. How ugly the surrounding would look. So, the oxygen is not only important for breathing, but it does various other activities on the earth. Then, the most highly present gas is the nitrogen. Let's talk about nitrogen. Nitrogen is a combination, nitrogen in combination with a number of elements produce plant nutrients and thus makes many organic processes possible. It is used for making chemical fertilizers. Nitrogen also keeps temperatures lower and retards combustion. So, in the absence of nitrogen, the earth would have burnt up because of the sunlight. The nitrogen dilutes the sun rays. Then comes carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is necessary for the production of organic matter by plants through the process of photosynthesis. It also absorbs the heat radiated from the earth and keeps lower layers of the atmosphere warm. So now when we talk of carbon dioxide, so carbon dioxide uh, has a chain effect on the production of the nutrition for plants while photosynthesis. Also, it is because of the carbon dioxide that the heat is retained. Otherwise, in the night time, the earth would have frozen. The earth would have become very, very cold. So, whatever sunlight or the warmth we get from the sunlight is retained by the carbon dioxide. Water vapor. Water vapor also performs important functions that are they are the source of all forms of precipitation, be it rainfall, be it dewdrops, be it snowfall. The particulate matter also performs important function in the atmosphere. These particles scatter the energy coming from the sun. Some of the particles are water absorbing in character. They serve in condensation nuclei, which are necessary for the process of condensation of moisture present in the atmosphere. Thus, even the seemingly insignificant components of the atmosphere play important role in weather phenomena.